Looking to earn monthly income online, but don't have any advanced skills? You're not alone. The good news is, with the right tools, even beginners can start making real money. In this video, I'll show you 4 AI tools that people are using to build side incomes, or even full-time earnings, every single month. And no, this isn't one of those scammy, get-rich-quick tricks. These are tools that are working right now, in 2025. Let's dive in. Number 1. ChatGPT for freelancing. You've probably heard of it. But did you know people are earning thousands by offering ChatGPT-based services? From writing blog articles, to product descriptions, to generating business ideas? You can use ChatGPT to complete tasks quickly, then offer those services on sites like Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer. All you need is a strong profile, a clear gig description, and solid communication. Number 2. Pictory. Ever wanted to make YouTube videos without showing your face? Pictory makes that possible. Just paste your script, choose visuals, and it creates videos automatically. You can start your own faceless channel or even sell video creation services to clients. Some creators are making passive income from YouTube with nothing more than Pictory and a good idea. Number 3. Canva for digital products. Canva isn't just a design tool, it's a money-making machine. People are designing templates, things like resumes, Instagram posts, planners, and selling them on Etsy, Gumroad, and Creative Market. You can spend a weekend designing 5 to 10 templates and generate passive income every month. Number 4. ElevenLabs. This tool lets you turn text into human-like voiceovers. Perfect for YouTube, TikTok, or even audiobook narration. Many freelancers are using ElevenLabs to create voiceovers for others, and earning handsomely. Just write a script, use a natural-sounding voice, and deliver high-quality audio within minutes. Now here's the truth. These tools alone won't make you rich. But if you stay consistent, pick one platform, and provide real value, your income will start to grow. So which tool will you try first? If you want specific video, let me know in the comments. And hey, if you're serious about building a future with online income, make sure to subscribe to Cash Crest. We bring you weekly videos packed with actionable ideas to help you earn smarter. Until next time, stay focused, stay smart.